Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will talk about how to grow your Discord server. So guys, growing a Discord server takes time, effort and strategic planning. So today we are here with effective strategies to help you grow your Discord server. So let's get started. Firstly, create an inviting server. Ensure your server is well designed, organized and visually appealing. Use categories, channels and roles effectively to make navigation easy for members. And also promoting your server across different platforms where your target audience is like to be present. Utilize social media forums, Reddit, gaming communities and other relevant platforms to reach potential members. You will have to collaborate with others as well. Collaborate with other Discord server owners or content creators within your niche. Partnering with others for events, promotions, or cross promotions can help expose your server to a broader audience. Also, engage with your community. Actively engage with the community by participating in discussion, hosting events, and providing valuable content. Encourage members to interact with each other and create a welcoming and inclusive environment. You will have to optimize server discovery as well. Take advantage of Discord server discovery feature by optimizing your server tags, description, and banner. Make sure your server is discoverable to users browsing through Discord server directory. So, not only that, you'll also have to stay active and consistent. Stay active and consistently engage with the community. Regularly update your server with new content, events, and improvements to keep members engaged and interested. So, guys, growing a Discord server is a gradual process that requires patience, dedications, and ongoing efforts. By implementing these strategies and fostering a vibrant and welcoming community, you can grow your Discord server over time. So if you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel and thank you for watching.